Okay, there's a street called Rua do General Galhardo. So we're gonna film that street in a minute. So we'll just kind of give you the texture of this one. So so this is the street that we're gonna film, all the way straight down that way, and we'll be back for that in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are, Rua do General Galhardo. I haven't really filmed in this area, but we're gonna film it today. I haven't filmed this street. I've definitely filmed this area. Down there is Cinema Alegria, that red one down there. And I think this is Rua de Alegria, I think. And then straight up here is Kyungwoo, so that big gray building is Kyungwoo. Kind of got some other cool architecture like that. There's even some stuff growing up over the side. There's a bunch of plants, I guess. And this whole area is on the Macau side. And let's just kind of take a look at something. So I think it's marked by like 5 stories and then like a illegal rooftop. So let's just take a look. 1, that might be still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 stories and then the illegal rooftop. So those are all kind of built. So this whole area has kind of like these 5-story buildings with like illegal rooftops. And so we're gonna try to capture some of those as well. Like I will kind of maybe try to count some of them, but you can see this is kind of like this as far as I walk around, I just keep seeing these kind of 5-story places, right? So I think that's 1 story, including this little thing. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up there's like rooftop stuff. The rooftop stuff is like just kind of added on, it's like extra stuff. So we'll continue to test that theory out. Maybe somebody else who knows, they can also make a comment about it and kind of just say if they notice the same thing. Let's look at this building right here too. So we'll look at, we got the ground one, 1, 2, that one cage coming out, 3, 4, 5. And then up at the top you have, there's a tree growing up there for one, and then there's all these kind of makeshift, there's like 2 different makeshift roofs. And they look like they're like a fence that's kind of just thrown up there, right? So I don't know how well you can see up there, but so yeah, that's kind of like the typical style around here. This part of Macau is like these 5-story apartments with these illegal rooftops. It's kind of a cool looking place right there. Let's look at another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I can't see the top because I'm too close to it. But you can see the rooftop up to these ones. Okay, let's keep on walking up. So yeah, kind of interesting anyways. We'll just kind of walk up a little bit further. I think this street is a little bit quiet. There's a music place over there. Looks like maybe karaoke. Some of these are closed. This is closed today. Okay, let's take a look. We'll just keep doing our thing again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5, and then the rooftop, something else. Let's get this green one up here. But yeah, this isn't unique to the street, it's kind of unique to this whole area. So you could kind of go in any direction and have the same experience with these. Here's a motorcycle shop. Okay, so this is a good spot to stop again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rooftop. This is a little bit bigger. 1, it's kind of a big massive one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it looks like that rooftop, I think that might be a 6th one, or that could be something a little bit different. It's kind of cool though. And since we're in this space, let's just walk down a little bit further. We're gonna walk across the street. And I think I want to show you this fire bomberos as well. So now you can see this building from this angle. Then over here is a fire station. I think I'll just include it in this video. So since we're basically right near it anyways, and it's kind of interesting building. Might do a whole other street next after I get to the center part. Then you can see the fire station. And that building looks really cool right there. Dang, okay. Well anyways, that's that street. And then we're just gonna end it on this fireplace right here, and then I'll probably do a whole other video with that one. based on this street. So okay, go a little bit further, and then we'll just center it on the fire station, and we're gonna end it. There we go. Body of firefighters. Bomberos is fire. Okay. That's a cool one. I'm definitely gonna film another street and do this one. So we just kind of went down that street over there, and we'll end it on this fire station here.